Scorpio rising 2026 is rebuild, reset, and rise. Scorpio rising 2026 is the year na babalik yung lakas mo. Simula ng taon, mararamdaman mo yung urge na ayusin ang life mo from the inside out. Sa love, for you, love becomes more practical this year. Kung single ka, may taong papasok na consistent, hindi palpak, hindi pa bebe. Someone na stabilizing force. Kung may partner ka naman, mas nagiging teamwork ang relationship. May conversations na matagal nyo nang iniiwasan, pero finally maayos. This is the year na mararamdaman mo kung sino talaga ang safe. Sa money naman, your finances this year are steady, stable, and growing slowly but securely. Hindi siya big winner lotto energy ha, pero solid foundation building. Pwedeng mag-level up sa trabaho dahil sa consistency mo. Pag may sinimulan kang long-term plan ngayon, 2026 will reward it. Sa career naman, this is your discipline era. Sa wakas, enjoy mo ang pagiging productive, may chance sa promotion, recognition, or mas magandang workflow. Very build my empire quietly ang vibes mo. Sa health mo naman, focus sa routine, sleep, pagkain, mental rest. Habang inaayos mo ang habits mo, gumaganda rin ang emotional stability mo. Light pero steady yung overall health energy mo. Scorpio 2026 motto, I rebuild, therefore I rise. Sagittarius rising 2026, love, creativity, fun, and expansion. Sagittarius rising 2026 is your heart year. Ito yung taon na babalik ng universe yung spark mo, yung inspiration, yung passion. Sa love naman, kung single ka, romance is alive and loud. Expect kilig, creative dates, someone expressive, someone na pwedeng maging long term. Kung may partner ka naman, mas sweet, mas playful, mas connected. This is the year na mas naririnig nyo ang isa't isa. Sa money, ito yung taon na pwedeng kumita through creativity, side hustles, hobbies, content creations, arts, passion projects. Money flow mo mas magaan pero may tendency sa overspending sa enjoyment. Kaya, balance is the key. Sa career, opportunities come from self-expression. Kung nasa social media ka or planning to start 2026 is your year. Kung employed ka naman, mas nagiging visible ka at mas napapansin ang talent mo. Sa health, energy mo maganda pero wag palaging overactive. Balance enjoyment with rest. Sagittarius rising motto in 2026, I create with joy. Capricorn rising 2026, build your peace first. Capricorn rising 2026 is your emotional security, home alignment, and deep grounding. Hindi ito chaotic na taon. Ito yung taon na mas ginusto mo ang peace kaysa sa pressure. Love, kung single ka, love comes through comfort zones. Pwedeng someone from the past, someone familiar, or someone na nakakapag-grounding. Kung may partner ka naman, mas nagiging intimate, gentle, and real ang bond nyo. Mas may emotional openness. Sa money, finances are stable. Perfect year for saving, investing, building foundations. Hindi siya wild money jumps, pero may long-term security. Sa career for you becomes slow but solid. May opportunities pero mas inuuna mo yung peace of mind at stability. Kung may gusto kang bagong path, 2026 is a good planning year. Sa health mo naman, health is improves when emotions improve. Rest, grounding, and home sanity are your medicines this year. Capricorn motto 2026, I secure my peace. Aquarius rising 2026, movement, connections, expansion of mind. Aquarius rising 2026 is the year where your world widens. Ito yung taon ng travel, learning, networking, and communication mastery. Sa love, kung single ka, love enters through movement, Pwedeng online, pwedeng travel, pwedeng kakilala ng kakilala. Someone witty, smart, and communicative. Kung may partner ka, mas maraming bonding, usapan, planning at adventures together. Sa money, mas nagiging diverse ang income mo, dalawa or higit pang sources. Online business or digital work is highlighted. Sa career, this is your connection brings opportunities year. The more you interact, the more doors open. Perfect for social media, writing, teaching, sales, marketing, public-facing roles. Sa health mo naman, careful sa nervous system, overthinking, overstimulation, need mong structured rest or mental breaks. Aquarius 2026 motto, I connect to grow. Pisces rising 2026, money glow up, self-worth awakening. Pisces rising 2026 is your stability year. Ito yung taon na natutunan mong unahin ang sarili mo at dahil doon mas dumadaloy ang pera, trabaho at love. Sa love, kung single ka, love shows up once your self-worth rises. May taong steady, stable, responsible ang dating. Kung may partner ka, mas nagiging secure and peaceful ang bond nyo. Less drama, more sanctity. Sa money, incomes improves. May bagong source of money or mas mataas na value ng skills mo. This is your financial glow up year. Sa career mo, mas malinaw ang direction mo. Hindi ka nalutang. May path, may routine, may structure. 2026 helps you claim your value sa workplace or business. Sa health naman, rooted sa routine, pagkain, pahinga. The more grounded you are, the healthier you become. Pisces motto 2026, I stabilize, therefore, I prosper. Kung gusto mo ng personal and accurate 2026 reading based mismong sa birth chart mo, love, pera, career at life direction, PM me privately. Iba ang reading kapag exact placements mo ang basehan.